In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Claude AI app on Android. We will go step by step, so just follow along with what you see on your screen. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. You can usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. When it opens, you should see the main Play Store page with featured apps and a navigation bar at the bottom. If the Play Store asks for any quick updates when you open it, let those finish so the search works smoothly. Now, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. The search bar usually shows a small magnifying glass icon with some suggested text. Once you tap it, your keyboard appears and the rest of the screen will dim slightly, showing recent searches if you have any. This tells you the Play Store is ready for you to type the app name. Next, type Claude by Anthropic into the search bar. Type it carefully, since even a small spelling error can bring up different apps. As you type, you may see suggestions appear just below the search bar. You can either finish typing the full name or tap the suggestion that exactly matches Claude by Anthropic. Then confirm the search from your keyboard so the results page loads. From there, look through the results and select the app published by Anthropic P B C. On the results page, you will likely see several similar-looking apps. Under each app name, you will see the developer listed. Make sure you tap the one that clearly shows Anthropic P B C as the publisher. Opening the right app page avoids installing an imitation or unrelated tool. With the correct app page open, tap Install. The Install button is usually green and sits near the top right area of the screen. After you tap it, the Play Store will begin downloading the Claude app and then installing it automatically. You will see a progress ring or bar showing download and install status, and the button text will change as it works. Once the installation is complete, tap Open. The Install button will change to an Open button as soon as the app is ready. When you tap Open, the Claude app will launch straight away and you should see the Claude Welcome or Sign In screen appear. You also now have a new Claude icon in your app list for future use. At this point, sign in with your existing Claude account or create a new one to start using the app. On this screen, you will see options to enter your email and password or to register a fresh account if you are new. Follow the prompts on screen, and once you are signed in, you will see your chat interface. Claude syncs your chats across Android, iOS, desktop, and the web, so any conversation you start here can continue on your other devices without extra setup. You have now installed Claude on Android and signed in so your chats stay synced everywhere. If this helped you get Claude running on your phone, a quick thumbs up would really help others, and feel free to subscribe for more clear how-tos.